Welcome back, J-Dog. So, today we're going to have a Nerf of big gun.
We're fighting with these pistols.
No, we're not, dude.
Yeah, we are.
What are you talking about?
Pistol versus pistol.
So,
It's the only way we can make it fair.
fine, but you have that other gun, though.
I have this gun.
No, with that
This is the only one I'm going to use.
Okay. Let's get into the video.
Yeah, seems about right.
Let's get into the video.
Good.
Guys,
Let's get into the video.
if you hear my brother, it's like,
Into the video. Let's go. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. My ball fell out. Wait. Okay, go. Shoot. Did it hit you? No, I didn't. Plus, it didn't even come down. I didn't think you're still there.
I gotta use my aim on this gun. You almost hit me.
Oh! Ah! It flew right past you.
Did I hit you though?
No. You hit over there, buddy. Hit close. No.
That was close,
It
right?
hit the post in front of me.
I got you.
No, you didn't.
How?
I jumped. I know that. About it.
Oh, you got me!
I hit that.
Wait! Oh, no, he did not.
Yeah,
But that's what she said. You got me, man. All my bullets are down there, so you gotta find them easily.
I have like 4 down here.
Woo!
Go over there.
That's what you call a good war. Good war. Woo! So, this war might go on for a while, maybe. We don't know for sure. But make sure to like this video and subscribe. I'm talking to you.
Stop walking. Okay, we have about a minute.
Okay, should I say bye? Record me.
It might have been a short video, but
Well, guys, make sure to subscribe. How much likes should we get this video quick? James.
12.
12. Okay. Bye. Come on,